You know why we're going inside?
Because there's a lot of flies out here.
Yeah.
We're actually outside shooting today.
Yeah.
Bad idea.
They're trying to get all around us.
So you might see like flies flying in the background. Bad idea. TechDadHD, KHD here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, definitely subscribe to KHD's channel and TechDadHD's channel. So what are we talking about today? We're talking about
the AirTags.
AirTags. We got one of these AirTags. What do? They track kids? That doesn't sound good. Tell me I could track anybody with this thing?
No.
Oh, I can't?
No.
How do you know?
It's because it's like if one of yours, like your children are lost.
Oh, so this is for you, or for your kid, or for like your keys, or your car,
or your belongings.
Belongings, backpack, camera bag, things that you lose all the time. Put this on it. You'll be thankful that you did. And yes, if you want to know where your kids are at, you can actually put this in their book bags or their wallets, and you can track them in a good way, not a bad way.
Not a bad way.
We don't want to be too creepy and like track kids all the time. Yeah, that's just weird. We ain't gotta do that, right?
No. It's
mostly if you guys are out and about. Say you're going to like Disney World and you happen to lose a kid. We hope not, but it's some reason the big crowds, they disappear. This is gonna help you find your kid quicker.
Oh yeah.
Let's open this thing up and hook it up to the phone. We had to buy little keychains for these two. So we just picked these up on Amazon. They're like $5 for two of them, but we got a blue one and a white one. Yeah. And you'll pop the AirTag in here once we'll show you how to do it, and then you can clip this on anything.
Yeah. I'm gonna do that on my backpack.
Put it on the backpack. So with the AirTags here, really simple. All you're gonna do is this little green arrow, which I can't even grab.
I can't do it.
Oh,
there you go.
There you go. You don't want to litter. And then, as simple as this, right?
Wow, that's easy.
And it comes right out. Look at that AirTag, right?
Wow, but that's just paper all covering it.
You don't want to litter.
No littering. It's like a little trash can.
Right.
Little trash can.
So we got obviously paperwork, right? Do we need any kind of paperwork? Do we need this stuff?
Nah.
No, we don't need it right now. We'll pick it up. We're not littering. So we got the AirTag here, and you're gonna open it up, right? And it'll show you a little cute little thing, and then boom, there you go. Here's the AirTags. And what we did with this one is we got it customized.
Yay! Mine is customized.
These little things right here are the AirTags. They're probably the size of what would you say? A little bit bigger than a quarter?
A little bit bigger than my thumb.
Oh yeah, that, but probably the size of the quarter.
Yeah.
Thickness wise.
Maybe as big as a 50.
Not a 50-cent piece.
Half. It isn't?
No. But you don't want to put it in your wallet because it's going to be bulky.
Yeah.
We did a customized AirTag for KHD, but he just wanted a K with the peace sign. Because we always go, see you on the next one. Peace. So, he got that. And the back of it's going to be the shiny Apple emblem there.
Shiny.
This scratch is pretty easy though. So we're going to set this thing up. What we need is a phone. Do you have a phone?
No, you won't let me have a phone until I'm 16.
I'll have my phone. My handy dandy. You need an iPhone, by the way. You need a iPhone for AirTag. If you don't have an Apple iPhone, your Apple AirTags will not work. And why is that?
Because Apple is the one who made the AirTags, not Samsung or all those other ones.
Exactly. These will not work if you have a Samsung phone. You can buy like the Tiles, whatever, aftermarket ones to make it work, but you need an Apple iPhone. And they have the specs on the AirTags for the Apple iPhones, what works for the precision location, which we'll talk about that in a couple seconds. When we pull this little tab here, go ahead KHD, pull that little tab, you're gonna hear it. then you're gonna hit connect. And we're gonna say, you know, it says name AirTag. We're gonna do custom name. You can have wallet, umbrella, luggage. We're gonna do a custom AirTag. What do you want? What do you want to be? We're gonna do KHD.
KHD.
Okay.
Okay.
And then your emoji, you get to choose your own emoji on this. So we're gonna do the peace sign. Then it asks you, register AirTag to your Apple ID. So make sure it's your Apple ID, and it's gonna be setting up KHD.
Yeah.
Once it's done setting up, you'll have it on the map. So what's cool about this is it's got directions in a map. So if you lose your kid, or you want to know where your kid's at, you get to use the map app to locate where whatever it is you have your AirTag. You can play a sound just like you do when you have your Find My iPhone, trying to find your phone. And then you have precision location finding. So when the AirTag is nearby, right, I think it starts working maybe like 30, 40 feet. When you have it on your phone, you'll have a little arrow pop up, and it'll tell you how many feet away. It'll tell you go left, go right, go straight. It's right ahead, and then once you get about 0 feet away, it says you're by it, and then you get to pick it up, right? Isn't that pretty cool? So when you play,
and then if you find your kid, the kid's like, Mama, Dada.
So when we play hide and seek, I'm gonna drop this in your back pocket so nobody knows. So this is all set up, ready to go. So let's put it in your little
Pocket.
little case here. And again, we got these from Amazon, so I'll put the link in the description below if you want to check these out. They're really nice silicone cases. Look at that.
Wow, that looks so cool.
So these have a battery in these. They're a watch battery. So these things last about a year, then you have to replace the battery. It's typical watch battery. These things track your kids, like we talked about. A lot of people are worried that, you know, weird people might put these in purses, might put these in little kids' bags, and then guess what? They get to follow your kid around or follow your family around.
What? That doesn't make any sense.
It's scary, people nowadays, but the cool thing about the Apple Airtags is if once somebody activates this, and then say we go on a bus with somebody, and we sit next to this person, and they have an Apple iPhone, it will show on their screen that there is a nearby AirTag that might try to track them, I guess. What Apple has done is that it's put a security in your phone to let you know that there might be an AirTag that's tracking you, and you could check out, you could, you know, try to find it around you if you feel like there's a AirTag around you that might be tracking you. If you don't have an Apple iPhone and somebody does that to you with the AirTag, it might not let you know, which is kind of scary. There's a lot of flies up in here, dude. We want to thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the new video about the AirTags. Definitely, if you want them, get them. They're worth it. They're 29 bucks a piece, or a pack of 4 for 100 bucks. And you can customize them. So thank you for watching this video. KHD, TechDadHD, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.